All right, we have a underwater photographer and scuba diver with L45 spondy with stenosis. Look at those osteophytes. We're going to do an MIS TLIF. Alrighty, we're getting started. Cheating with the navigation tracking pin, making the perfect incisions before I even make it. Because you know, my mom always said, if you don't cheat every once in a while, you ain't tried hard enough. Alrighty, I made the 2 little incisions, never mind the red stuff. Just tells me your heart's working. Surgery, I'm going to show you how I do a percutaneous facet fusion. So, I've got my incisions. I've stripped the facet joint, did the San Francisco twirl all the way around the facet joint, make sure that all the tendon attachments are released. Now I'm going to use a 5mm burr. I'm going to use it like Helen Keller, braille driving, confirming that everything's okay. That's basically internal validation, so I'm feeling everything. Now I got it right over the facet joint. So check that out. I'm going to burr right into that hole. That's called the facet joint. So not only do you want to burr all the way into the facet joint, but I also put this rotating shaver in there and rotate it. That also helps decorticate the space and also pry open the facet joint and release it so that it's not locked in. Okay, so I got it inside the facet joint. I'm decorticating with it and releasing it too. Now I'm going to put a little bit of bone graft inside that hole. And now I can put in the pedicle screws. Strong construct. Thank you for eating your calcium and having good bone. Oh, especially my forearms are going to be huge after this. Just so you know, this is the sexiest cage alive right here. You're getting sleepy. You're getting sleepier. When you open your eyes, you're going to wake up refreshed with no more back pain. It's worth a try.
Ready? Alright. Left, right, 1 out. 2. Already got that.
This is the nadir shuffle. This is how we figure out if the bone is moving with the cage. It's a little on the kinky side, but we could just sit here and look at that all day long. Oh yes.